Hi! In front of me is Realme GT2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this Realme smartphone. You need to start by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Play Store. Now access background apps. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. Now click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Window from the list. Then tap on this tiny one. As you can see now, I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to move it around, hold this line and drag it. Then let go. You can use your app, overlay the other one by opening the other one and operating in both. If you wish to use it in full screen view, click on the top left corner. In order to close it though, tap on the top right one. You can also close it by I need to open it first. You can also close it by simply swiping it up in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!